Okay, so here's the dilemma. I didn't want to order another circuit or get another circuit installed. I looked around, I didn't want to spend the extra grand or so to get another circuit put in over here. So after searching the internet, I found a company called NeoCharge. So it's two 1450 NEMAs, a primary, a secondary. Got up there, you've got the primary, which the Tesla is on, and then you have the secondary circuit, which the Rivian is on. So at the end of the day, I'm very pleased. I highly recommend you buying this product. If you have two EVs, this is going to solve your problem without you having to spend about $1,000 plus on getting another circuit. I love it. Recommending NeoCharge for sure. So glad I have it. The installation went well. It was very simple.